In this lesson, we're going to learn about areolar connective tissue. Now, areolar connective tissue is a loose connective tissue. The areolar connective tissue is a loose connective tissue. And this particular type of connective tissue has three types of cells. And the cells are, the first one is fibroblast, the next one is macrophage, and finally we have mast cell. First, fibroblast. Fibroblasts are large cells with long processes. So they are large cells with long processes and they are irregular in shape. The next one is macrophage. Macrophage is a large phagocytic cell. What we mean by phagocytic is that it engulfs certain particles, certain foreign particles. Mast cell. These kinds of cells, they are secretory. They secrete three substances. The first one is histamine. During allergic reactions. The next one is heparin. And lastly, we have serotonin. So these are the three important types of cells present in areolar connective tissue. We have fibroblasts, macrophages, and mast cells. Now, fibroblasts. In these fibroblasts, we can classify them into two categories. The first one is collagen and elastin. So these are two fibers, collagen fibers and elastin fibers. Collagen fibers are in bundles and they are white in color and they are unbranched. Then they are in bundle. Elastin fibers. These are yellow in color and they are branched. So this is about fibroblast. Macrophages. These are large phagocytic cells. Mast cells, they are secretory in nature. They secrete histamine, heparin, and serotonin. Now let's understand the structure of the areolar connective tissue. If this is the matrix, the fluid present in the areolar connective tissue, the matrix part. So this is the matrix. First, we have fibroblast. Fibroblasts are large irregular cells with long processes. They look somewhat like this. Let's label them. These are fibroblasts. And we know there are two of them, collagen and elastin. Collagen, we know that they are white in color and unbranched. in a bundle fashion. This is how they look like. Collagen fibers. Coming to elastin, they are just simple kind of fibers which are yellow in color and they are branched, not present in bundles. Let's label them. This is collagen and this is elastin. Now we're going to take a look at the macrophages, which are large phagocytic cells. This is how they look like. These are macrophages. So this is the structure of areolar connective tissue. Now let's learn about the location where they are present. The location of areolar connective tissue. They are present underneath the skin or the epidermis. Skin or the epidermis. They are present underneath the skin or the epidermis. So this is the location of the areolar connective tissue. Location of the areolar connective tissue. So in this video we discussed about areolar connective tissue, where they are present, the three types of cells that are present in the areolar connective tissue: fibroblast, macrophages and mast cells. And we've discussed all the characteristics of these cells, and we also took a look at the structure of the areolar connective tissue. So in this video we discussed about the connective tissue, that is areolar connective tissue.